your date for today, and welcome to another episode of Mondays with Marion. Question! Okay, gaano kahirap maging isang mommy? For sure, nakikita ko dyan, marami nang nag-yes, nag-raise ng kanilang mga hands. And I can relate because I am a mom of a 14-year-old dalaginding. Mula po sa pagbubuntis, sa panganganak, sa pagpapalaki, pag-aaruga, sa pagbibigay aral, napakahirap po. Di lang yan, magastos din. Kaya believe ako sa mga mommies. Okay, another question. Gaano ba kahirap maging isang entrepreneur? Siyempre, sagot ko rin dyan, yes na yes. Dahil ako po ay isang negosyante and I'm handling different kinds of businesses. Para ka rin nag-aalaga ng isang anak mula sa pagbuo ng konsepto habang ito ay maliit pa at nagsisimula, habang ito ay pinapalaki mo taon-taon. And you have to make sure that every aspect of your business or businesses is flawless, seamless, perfect. If not, almost nearly perfect. Anyways, one last question. Gaano kahirap maging isang mompreneur? Alam ko rin yan. At ang sagot ko dyan ay napakahirap din dahil ako ay isang mompreneur. Ngayon malalaman natin, ano ba ang mompreneur? A mompreneur is a woman who doesn't have to choose between her family and her career because she highly believes and she strives really hard to be a hands-on parent and a business owner at the same time. Ngayon, malalaman natin gaano ka-hectic ang schedule ng pagiging isang mompreneur. To see is to believe. Hindi po siya chicken feed. Kaya believe na believe ako sa mga katulad ko. Kaya naman panoorin natin ang episode called A Day in My Life as a Mompreneur.
Ako ang unang nagigising sa buong kabahayan. The early bird catches the worm, ika nga. Waking up before everyone else gives me that quiet time to think, to jot down my things-to-do list, and to write on my daily journal. At kapag may araw na, gigisingin ko na ang lahat sa pamamagitan ng aking pag-iingay.
Good morning! Okay, today is the first day of school. It's the first day of class for my daughter. I know she is excited. Well, I am too for her. But at the same time, I'm a little bit sad because I know I'll have more idle time without her. And I have to keep myself busy. I don't want to feel any negative thoughts. So that's why I'm already wearing my workout clothes. There you go. But of course, I won't be working out as early as now as much as I would want to kasi I have to bring her to school first. Bella is my priority. So later on, when I get home, I can easily jump on the treadmill because I am ready. Very much ready. So there you go. Good morning! Okay, I'm always the one preparing the baon for Bella. I'm not a cook. Sadly, unfortunately, because I really focused on my career. When I was single and when I became a mom, I focused naman on Bella and the entire family. So I didn't have the time to like really stay in the kitchen and to learn how to cook. I cook I think 20 times in the course of my being a mom and wife, but that was it. It was never my passion. I really never had any liking towards cooking, but I always prepare their baon no matter what happens. Ate Erica cooks and then she puts everything here on the table and then I put everything on the baonan or the food canteen. So like for Bella's
food for today. We're giving her rice and bacon. Well, she seldom eats bacon kasi it's unhealthy. But then, since it's the first day of class, pinagbibigyan ko siya. I would just want her to be happy, to have lots of energy because she's gonna be very busy in school for sure. And, syempre, gagawin nating balance. Her snacks during recess are green grapes, her favorite. So, I'm putting on her small container. So, I'm just waiting for Bella so we can leave already. But there she goes. She's still curling her hair. Well, pagbigyan natin, it's the first day of class, first day of school. So, gusto niya, bongga siya. Pero, baka naman next week, wala na yan. Straight na uli ang buhok. Say hi, Bella!
Yay! Finally natapos rin at paalis na kami. But first, pray at the altar for a safe, productive, and meaningful day.
Hello, so we're in the car already and Bella is here with me. Say hi, Bella. Alright, so we're going to school. We have to hit the road before 7 a.m. Kasi otherwise, magiging busy na talaga. Marami ng schools, magsisimula na. So there, we're just waiting for the water bottle and it's here already. Okay, bye!
We're finally in school and we're not late. Picture first bago bumaba ang aming Bella Boo who is now in ninth grade. Between taking care of my family and managing businesses, my day is a non-stop marathon. Kaya naman, I need Father God by my side and loads of prayers para kayanin ko ang lahat. So every morning, before I go home, dumadaan ako sa prayer room ng simbahan para magdasal.
Okay, so I'm back at home. I left Bella in school already. I have 1 hour to work out just to boost my happy hormones. I need it very badly. So after that, I have to go back to school for a meeting with one of her teachers. So I have to hurry. Done with my 1 hour workout and now I have 30 minutes to prepare for the meeting. Go!
Siyempre, kapag may meeting sa school, conservative at kagalang-galang ang outfit. No choice. And then, powder, lip gloss, konting blush on. Aba, okay na okay na. Ready to go!
All right. It's now 9:30 in the morning. My meeting is at 10. Hopefully, I can make it. Sana hindi ako malate. And thanks to the aircon of my car, kasi dito na rin ako nag-blow dry ng hair. I do this every day. Mga momshies, diba? You can relate to me. Talaga namang multitasking tayo. Huwag lang mag-makeup habang nagda-drive. Delikado. So, there you go. Wish me luck. Wish me luck. Sana hindi ako malate or else nakakahiya sa teacher ni Bella.
Woohoo! After an hour, we're done with the meeting. Oh, this is Jel, by the way, my mommy friend since 2016 when our girls were still in first grade. Ang tagal na namin mag-friends, 9 years.
Alright, I'm fetching the girls and we're eating out. Say hi to everyone! Alright, pretty girls, bye! Bye!
For 9 years, naging tradition na namin ang kumain ng sabay-sabay pagkatapos ng unang araw sa klase. Well, the full cast members of the Barkada is not complete, but we enjoyed also. Although we missed the other best friends of Bella and the rest of my momshi besties. After lunch, Bella has Pilates class to attend to. Para naman balance ang kanyang lifestyle, importante nag-exercise ang mga kids kahit gaano ka-busy sa school. And whenever I wait for Bella, this is the perfect time for me to answer inquiries of clients in our businesses like Bells in Style and I Love My Skin. Ang Bells in Style, in-establish namin when Bella was 8 years old dahil napakakulit niya. Gusto niya raw ng negosyo. Siya ang nagde-design ng clothes, ako naman ang nagmo-market at sabay namin binibenta sa social circle namin o di kaya online. Ang I Love My Skin naman is for anti-aging and for skin brightening. Dahil yan ay hilig ko, kaya naman naging negosyo ko. Kapag wala naman masyadong mga inquiries na kailangan sagutin, this is the perfect time also for me to write down thoughts on how we can better the businesses. After working out, umuwi muna kami so we can change clothes. Plus, Bella has dental appointment. Habang ako ay nagaantay, syempre yun na rin yung pagkakataon ko upang makausap ko ang mga clients o di kaya mga friends na nagaantay na sa akin buong araw. At syempre, naisingit pa namin ang pag-grocery. Nako, ang daming kailangang bilhin lalo na at pasukan na kailangan ni Bella ng snacks. As a mom, I always try to squeeze more productivity out of each day. Wala talagang choice eh. And then, syempre, hindi pwedeng umuwi nang walang early dinner at 4 p.m. Lagi kami kumakain ng mas maaga para hindi raw tumaba, o 'di ba? Sana totoo. At syempre, after our early dinner, iniwan ko na si Bella sa bahay para makapagpahinga at makapagsimulang mag-aral. Ako naman, I have a meeting with my brothers from other mothers. These are my childhood friends slash classmates since grade school from Cotabato City. I'm introducing to you Mark, Ronald, and King. Ayan, pagdating ng bahay, syempre importante ang self-care. After I take a shower, I do my simple beauty routine using my I Love My Skin products. And of course, I do face icing or skin icing. Bakit? Kasi naman ang ice ay nakakatanggal ng swelling and inflammation ng mukha at nakakaalis rin ng wrinkles. Plus, it gives you that healthy glow lalo na sa eyes na nagkakaroon ng puffiness. So, pwede niyong gayahin ang aking secret. Oh well, my day is not over yet. Before I go back to working, I have to check on Bella to see if she needs any assistance for school. Laging priority ang anak, no matter what happens. Kaya, mommy duties first. My time is really precious, both as a mom and as an entrepreneur. When I'm with Bella, I give her my 100% attention. When I work, I am fully present with my tasks as well. Sa dami ng kailangang gawin, siguradong nagkakaroon ako ng mga pending tasks. But I accept that not every day will go as planned. There will be missed deadlines, messy house, always so much things to do, and never enough time to accomplish everything. But of course, I embrace the chaos. Hindi naman sa lahat ng panahon, perfection ang goal nating mga mompreneurs, di ba? It's always progress. Gaano man kapagod, I never allow Bella to sleep without having a heart-to-heart talk with me. Tinatanong ko kung kamusta ang araw niya. Tinatanong ko rin syempre kung ano ba ang magandang nangyari, meron bang hindi magandang nangyari, may nakakatawa ba, nakakaiyak, nakakatakot, nakakagalit. Dapat malaman kasi natin yon. At tinatanong ko rin kung what she is thankful for and what she hopes to do better the following day. Isang paraan ito upang makilala natin ng husto ang ating mga anak. This is also the chance for me to open up to my daughter. I never hesitate to tell her my hopes, dreams, fears, insecurities, and whatever important or simple thoughts I have. Kahit yung past life ko, nakakwento ko sa kanya, o, diba? In this way, we can establish friendship, trust, and openness.
At the end of the day, no matter how busy I am, ang top priority ko syempre ay ang aking anak. That's why I'm working really hard. As a mom, I breathe in motherhood. As an entrepreneur, I breathe in entrepreneurship. Since I am both, I always find myself catching breath as I attend to one errand to another. Ang kagandahan nito, talagang pinapatibay ang aking loob. Sinasanay rin ang aking katawan maging multitasker. At pinaka-importante sa lahat, tinuturuan ako on how to choose my battles and to never sweat the small stuff. Kaya believe at saludo kami sa lahat ng mga mompreneurs who try their best na gawin ang lahat gaano man ito kaimposible para sa kanilang mga anak at sa buong pamilya. Kaya naman, thank you for joining us at sana marami kayong natutunan. Lalo na po doon sa mga gustong maging mompreneurs katulad ko. And next week, next Monday, we will see you again for another exciting and colorful episode, vlog, motivational video only here at Mondays with Marion. Thanks, guys!